Albert Einstein was the most famous physicist of the 20th century. His groundbreaking theory of general relativity explained how light caused due to the wrapping of space-time. But how did he had such high IQ level? And what is the scientific reason behind it? Well, keep watching Gateway to Knowledge to know why Albert Einstein was so a genius. To unleash his extraordinary abilities, the scientists analyzed the Einstein's brain and gathered information about his intelligence. Einstein's brain had much more complicated folding across the cerebral cortex, which is the gray matter on the surface of the brain, and it is also responsible for the conscious thought. In general, thicker gray matter is tied to the higher IQs. Many scientists believe that more folds can create extra area for mental processing, allowing more connections between brain cells. With more connection between distant parts of the brain, one would be able to make intense mental leaps, drawing upon these far away brain cells to solve some cognitive problems. The prefrontal cortex, which plays a key role in abstract thought, making predictions and planning, also had an unusual elaborate folding pattern in the Einstein's brain. This may have helped the physicist to develop the theory of relativity. In addition, Einstein's occipital lobes, which perform visual processing, showed extra folds and creases. The right and left parietal lobes also looked very asymmetrical. It's not clear how those features contributed to Einstein's genius, but that brain region is key for spatial tasks and mathematical reasoning. The jury is still out on whether Einstein's brain was extraordinary from birth or whether years of pondering physics made it special. But most of the Einstein's raw ability probably came from a trick of nature rather than a lifetime of hard work. And it's not just that the folding is bigger or smaller, it's actually the pattern that is different. His brain anatomy is unique as compared to every other photograph or drawing of a human brain that has ever been recorded. So this might be a possible reason for why Einstein was so genius and have a high IQ level. To keep yourself aware about more interesting topics, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos.